Old 78. It's crooked. Don't know if you can see. We'll bring the camera in here and I'll show you that it's not right. It is bad. So we're going to put it on this wonderful metal spot and use a big oven mitt because it's hot in there. We're going to open this up and we're going to put that right in there. We've got a preheated oven at 200 degrees. Should take that about 5 minutes or so to get really super hot and flat. And I'll pull it out for you and show you now. If you want to do regular vinyl, you can, but you need a couple of glass plates and it needs to be done really, really quick or else you'll end up with this fine example I found. Nobody wants that. So let's give it a couple of minutes and we'll check out our 78 RPM. All right, we're going to go in there. Let's see what we find. Now this is a Red Label Columbia. And as you can see with the camera, it is now completely flat. Red Label Columbias are a tough one to do this with. You see it's pretty soft. We're going to close the oven. We're going to put the hot plate over there. So what should ideally happen is it should lay flat. This one's been giving me trouble, but you get the idea with the method. Basically what happens is they just kind of smooth out. You do not want to take these right out of the stove and throw them on a turntable, obviously, because they've got a set. If you'd like to see me clean them, I can make you a fun movie too. But these are like a 1930s Red Label, and they're just a lot cheaper made in that time period. The Victors are way better. As far as vinyl goes, you want to have 2 sheets of glass, and you want to stare at that thing. You really, really want to watch that. Otherwise, that'll happen. So let me know what you think. Thanks.